All right, listen carefully. I'm not here to sugarcoat the truth or massage your fragile ego. I'm here to tear you down, to break you apart and rebuild you into someone capable of surviving, no dominating this merciless world. You think life's hard? You think you've been dealt a bad hand? Let me be clear. Life isn't tough, life is ruthless. It doesn't care who you are. It doesn't wait for you to catch up. You are nothing, less than nothing. Just a blip, a speck, a grain of dust in a brutal storm. And guess what? That's your biggest advantage. Because when you are nothing, you have nothing to lose. And when you've got nothing to lose, you've got the power to do anything. But what are you doing with that power? You sit, complain, wallow in self-pity, and cry about how unfair everything is. Newsflash, life isn't fair. It never was. It never will be. You're stuck in mediocrity because you've gone soft. You've been fed this illusion that you're special, that success is your destiny. But here's the truth. Destiny doesn't care about you. You either take what's yours or stay nothing forever. And you won't take it because you're too busy needing validation, too scared of failing, too attached to comfort. You think success will find you? That it will knock on your door? Wake up. Success is a cold, vicious beast. And the only way to tame it is to become even more vicious. You want to know why the ones at the top are there? Because they clawed, bled, sacrificed. They gave up their comfort, their excuses, their illusions. And you? You won't even give up a few hours of sleep. You cling to comfort like it's oxygen. You want greatness, but you aren't willing to pay the price. Take a good look in the mirror. What do you see? A leader? A fighter? No, you see a coward afraid to take risks, afraid to fail, afraid to live. You exist in a bubble, afraid to pop it. But that's not living, that's barely surviving. You want to change? Then get uncomfortable. Get ruthless. Stop caring about approval. Stop waiting for permission. Results are all that matter. No results? Then you're failing. No effort? Then you're finished. Burn the excuses. I'm tired. I don't have time. I'm not good enough. Enough of that. You have 24 hours just like everyone else. The difference? You're wasting them. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is a choice. Learn to love pain, feed off it. That's what will shape you. Struggle is your forge. Hardship is your test. It separates the weak from the strong, the quitters from the legends. Look around. Most people have already given up. They've accepted mediocrity. They'll never be remembered. They'll fade. But you still have a choice. Do you want to be remembered? Do you want to leave a mark? Do you want to be feared? Because fear is power, and power commands respect. If you really want it, you must go beyond limits. Sacrifice comfort. Sacrifice peace. Sacrifice everything. Be relentless. Be unyielding. Be brutal in your pursuit. There are no shortcuts. No perfect moment is coming. There is only now, and the person standing in the way is you. You want power? Tap into the darkness society told you to suppress. That rage, that drive, that raw primal force, it's in you. Unleash it. Let it fuel you. Let it build you into something unstoppable. Because the light is a lie, a cage disguised as comfort. Only the darkness can forge the strength you need to succeed. So stop whining. Stop overthinking. Stop making excuses. Stand up, step forward, and do the work. Do it with fire. Do it with fury. Do it ruthlessly, without mercy, without hesitation. Crush your obstacles. Destroy your excuses. Take what's yours. No one's going to save you. No one's going to hand you a thing. You want to rise? Then fight, bleed, sacrifice, obliterate. Want it more than anyone, more than anything. Be obsessed. Be possessed. Because if you're not, you will fail. And worse, you'll deserve it. But if you do commit fully, completely, then there is nothing you can't overcome. No one you can't surpass. No dream too far. This is your life, and it's slipping by second by second while you do nothing. So make a choice. Be ruthless or be forgotten. Fight or surrender. Succeed or fade. The world doesn't wait. The clock's ticking. It's time to become the predator. It's time to work ruthlessly.